guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my October BoxyCharm unboxing, and last month's BoxyCharm was really good, so I'm excited to see what is in this box. But really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe right down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then every single Monday, we do mail hauls. And make sure to click the bell notification. That way you are the first to be notified when my videos go live. But I'm excited to dive into this unboxing, so let's get started. Where are my scissors? Okay, so let's cut the box open. If you guys haven't heard of BoxyCharm, I say this all the time because I don't know how many people watch these videos that don't know about BoxyCharm, or you might be new to my channel, but BoxyCharm is a subscription service that you get every single month. I think it's $20 or $21. They do actually send me this box, but this video is not sponsored in any way. But yeah, and you do get 5 full-size products, which is really nice. So we open it up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, the first thing I see is a discount for IT Cosmetics for you to get a discount on their products. And then the first thing that I saw, which I was like freaking out over, is this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Mother. Not a shade I probably would normally wear, but this lipstick alone retails for 20 bucks, which is basically how much the box is. The box doesn't do it justice because it looked like it was going to be a much lighter pink, but this actually may be a good shade. I have not used a Kat Von D liquid lipstick in so long, but they used to be my absolute favorite. Look how beautiful that shade is. I'm just gonna dab a little bit over top of what I have on now because it kind of goes with this look. Oh, they're so creamy too. But it's a liquid lipstick. It dries very fast, very pigmented. It's not splotchy. It doesn't break up or anything like that. So this is a really good deal in this box. And that's just the first thing I saw. I saw something else too. But yeah, there is that. And this is Mother by Kat Von D. Okay. Next thing we have, which is what I saw and I was freaking out over too. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And this retails for $24. So you already have 44 bucks just for the first 2 products. But it says 96% said lashes look stretched, 96% saw dramatic volume and length, 96% saw plumper looking lashes, and 100% saw a fuller lash line. Now me personally, I do already use this. I actually used it today. I use it on my bottom lashes. It's really great because I feel like I need a little bit on this side today. This side looks a little uneven. It's really good because it's not flaky, because sometimes like I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top lashes, but sometimes if I use it underneath my eyes, it gets flaky and throughout the day I start looking like a raccoon and I do not like that. But this one, in my opinion, from all the mascaras that I've used, it is the best one for the under eyelashes. It makes your lashes super thick, long, full, and it just doesn't flake. So this one is like my favorite for under the eyes. And again, a $24 value. Okay, next thing I see, this says Dermovio, and it is a lace appeal with compression technology, black bamboo charcoal peel-off mask. I have saw people use this before, and it is one of those masks that like goes up around your ears, which I don't know how I would feel about that because I've definitely never put a lash anywhere near my ears, but it's like a full lace mask. So it says Lace Appeal Bamboo Charcoal uses naturally blended peel paste formulated with bamboo charcoal, aloe vera, and chamomile in conjunction with compression lace mask to support the peel process and instantly turn dull complexion into radiant skin. So that all sounds interesting. If you look on the price of this, it retails for $30, which I think is really expensive for just one mask. And I'm like feeling around. Oh, it says there's 2 masks in here, but it says it is for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. So I guess for 2, it makes it like 15 bucks a mask, but still really expensive. So glad it came in my BoxyCharm box. Okay, so yeah, $30, $24, and $20. So basically so far in the first 3 products, we have $74 worth of products. Okay, next thing. Oh my gosh, this is such a freaking good box. I feel like BoxyCharm is like maybe knows Ipsy's coming out with a full-size box. They're like stepping their game up even more. So this is from Pharmacy, and this is a green clean. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited that I got this because this is a 1.7 ounce and it's almost for me like a more travel friendly size. I have used this time and time again. I've actually completely emptied out 1.5 bottles of it this year. So basically it says the cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. This retails for 22 bucks. So I'll open it up. It is a green cleanser. The only thing I hate is it didn't come with a scoop like the big size does, but basically it's a balm and you're gonna rub the balm. I typically like rub it around in my hands and just rub it all over my face. And I really like it for my eyelashes because I feel like sometimes when you're using just like a normal makeup wipe or even like a makeup remover and you go like to get into your eyelashes, it can be more harsh. And the balm just kind of goes ahead and strips everything off so you don't have to do as much scrubbing. But it's very gentle on the skin and it literally takes off any makeup. You just need the teeny tiniest bit. Rub it in, rub it all over your face and just kind of like dissolve your makeup. Wash it off and you're good to go. And it makes your skin feel so clean. So that is definitely a winner in this box. And then I see a palette in here. Okay, the last thing we have is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. And here's what this looks like. The retail on this is $38. And it says it is a 10-piece face that will take any look from natural to innocent to sultry and mysterious. Limited edition palette that is arranged with highly pigmented buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look that you will totally adore. So on the back it shows the different shades and we will swatch these. I do like that they have been including more like palettes and especially not like cheap palettes, you know what I mean? Like this one's 38 bucks, the one the one last month was a high-end brand too. Okay, so here is what this looks like. And then you open it up. Ooh, they have the like plastic part like taped down. So here is the palette. Give you guys a close-up of it. There's that. So we have two blushes, a bronzer and a highlight. And I love that you have one for like, you really could use this on lighter skin tones, but honestly these I feel like could be even more for darker skin tones. The pigmentation though, these are beautiful and they're so freaking creamy. And even though I guess these are basically meant for like highlights and blushes and stuff, you really could use them as eyeshadow too because they're just really, really nice. Shooketh. Okay, so there's that. Wow. Now again, these aren't shades I would normally like go to for an eyeshadow look, but we're gonna swatch them. They are really, really creamy. I mean, I'm very pleasantly surprised by the pigmentation that these palettes have been. I mean, look at this. This is like pigmented. I mean, I even tried to wipe this off and it's still on there. Let's dig deep. And then the last three shades, that green is really pretty. Like, look at this. So there are those. I'm gonna give you guys a close up too. So there is that. I know I said this last month. The last month was the best box, but honestly, I think this month just slayed all of it. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. You get a makeup removing cleanser to remove all the makeup in the box. You have a face mask, you have a mascara, you have a lipstick. There's a lot of different products in this box, which I really, really like. So I hope that this was helpful if you guys have been thinking about getting BoxyCharm or you just want to see what was in this month's box. And as always, I love you guys so, so much. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.